Hi, in this video I want to show you the Ensign Playback feature. This playback is used a lot to test strategies, different buy or sell triggers, studies. If you have an idea that you think you might want to try out and you want to see it in real time or even in sped up time, you can do it with this playback feature. This new playback in Ensign has given us the opportunity to open up multiple time frames and multiple symbols at the same time running playback. Let's go ahead and open up a few charts here so you can just show you how this works. Ensign has implemented the playback feature into their other data feed, so you can see it listed down here. We're going to go ahead and choose April 1st, 2011. We're going to use the speed at 20 times. The start time just going to be at 9:30 at day session open. And that's it. And then what we do is we've already entered the symbol over here, but if we were going to do more, we could come in here and do like the YM, E-mini. Could do the NQ, E-mini. If you wanted to do a currency, you could do the currency. Um, Basically, this will add any symbol we want to do in here that you can get a data feed for. And then, except for today, we're just going to do the ES. And then after you've entered in your symbol, you hit connect. And it's telling me that this playlist already exists. I'm going to say yes, I just want to load the one I already have.
Playback has been started.
And then it shows right here that playback has started, and we have online here. We're going. Okay, so now we're going to say yes. Let's go ahead and go there. We're going to do the ES, and let's go ahead and open up some charts here. Let's open up a 10-minute chart. You can see it updating here in the top. Give it a second here to load. Let's go ahead and change this to a 5-minute. Get a little cleaner chart here for you. And then the other one we'll open is just to give you an idea of the different times. We'll go into a 150. Okay, now go ahead and clean all this other stuff off. As you can see here, the 150 already has a study on it because that was on there before. Um, and basically, this will trigger stuff real time, just like it would in real time. As you can see, the times are going a lot faster than they normally do, but that's because we're at 20 times speed. As you can see here, I have a 10-minute chart and a 150 range chart. So I can play back tick-based charts or time-based charts. And you can see down here that the DYO that I have implemented on this chart is fully functional. You can see the long entry price was, it recorded that, and it records the trade value still. So you can see that jumping up and down here. Now, in a second here, we're going to see this trade actually close out and take profit. Here in just 1 second, we'll go ahead and watch for that. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and apply some studies to this chart over here and give you an idea of the different things that can be done to watch. If you want to, for instance, see when moving averages cross each other, we could come in here and we can pull up this property form and do something like this, and we can see, okay, when these cross this, and look back and forth at different things. Um, okay, now we're going to look over here. We're going to go ahead and look over here on this 150 range chart over here on the left side of the screen, and you're going to see it take profit here in just 1 second. This playback feature is what we use a lot to test the trading systems that you'll see done through Ensign, and a big part of that is, I think it closes out at 1332 here, so you'll see it in just 1 second. Um, Okay, here it goes. It's ready to go ahead and take profit here. You can see that smiley face right there just says we took profit, it exited the trade, and now it's on to looking for the next trade. But this is a great way to back test, to see results, to learn how to trade, learn what different studies do, and it's a great way to test your strategies and your trading systems. Thanks for watching and have a great day.